Have you noticed that many people believe respiratory medications only work when you're already very sick? That's actually a pretty common misconception. Budesonide, for example, is not an emergency or extreme medication, but rather a widely used tool for gradually and safely controlling inflammation in the airways when used correctly. And before getting into its effects, it's important to clarify something. Budesonide has no nutritional value. It is not food, and it does not provide calories, protein, vitamins, or minerals. Its function is entirely medical. It is a corticosteroid, which means it helps reduce inflammation in the body, especially in areas like the lungs or the nose, depending on how it is formulated. So how does it work in simple terms? Imagine your airways are like a hallway. When there is inflammation, that hallway becomes narrower, making it harder for air to pass through. Budesonide helps reduce the swelling of the walls of that hallway so breathing becomes easier and more stable over time. My Aunt Rosalinda used to tell me that during allergy season, she would feel a heavy chest and shortness of breath as if she were constantly running out of air. After following a treatment prescribed by her doctor, she gradually noticed that she could breathe better and go about her daily activities with much less discomfort. This is also supported by science. Studies published in the New England Journal of Medicine have shown that inhaled corticosteroids like budesonide help control inflammation in chronic respiratory conditions such as asthma.